welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So I am back with my another video. In this video I am going to show you this look which I have achieved. So you can recreate this look for any of your parties like cocktail party or shadi season is going on, so you can totally create this look. And if you already love this look, then please do like this video, and with that subscribe to my YouTube channels, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you are notified. So without wasting any more time, let's straight get into this video. I am going to take a pea-size amount of a primer and I'll just apply it on my T-zone area, which is on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and some on my cheeks. Like not cheeks, but you guys can see it spreads like butter. I need a foundation too, so I am going to be using this two foundation. I mean, this is not a foundation, this is an illuminator from Miss Claire. This is my Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I am going to mix this both. Moving on with my eyeshadow, I am going to be using my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and take this transition shade right here. So I am done with my look. So this is my whole look, and I matched my eyeshadow with this jewelry, which I am absolutely loving it. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do let me know in the comment section below if this video was a bit helpful, and if you guys have any feedback or any suggestions for my next video, then please do let me know, and to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any update for my future video. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.